Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the slides vibration effect to your videos or photos in CapCut PC. So first you can select your videos or photos you like to edit, and I'm just going to add this upload image, and I'm just going to copy paste and copy paste again to some part. For the second clip, I'm just going to mirror for the last clip. I'm going to mirror again and hold the effect, select less vibration on trending. This is pro effect. You have to join pro first to be able to use this effect. After the track and adjust for the duration in sunlight, and you can adjust for the option right here: atmosphere, colors, strength, glows, channel speed, and you can see for the final result like this. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And if you have any question, please let in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.